Hi, I'm Julian Dougharty, founder of DFS Marketing. DFS Marketing is an insurance marketing organization, and we wholesale fixed index annuities for some of the largest insurance companies in the world. My clients are independent financial professionals that sell fixed index annuities and life insurance to independent baby boomers and senior clients. Today, in our home office headquarters in Houston, Texas, we're having our Two Comma Club meeting. The Two Comma Club meeting is a group of multi-million-dollar producers that sell fixed annuities and life insurance. We get them together in a room and we talk about the services that DFS Marketing offers. We show them how we can help them make more money, see people, and then ultimately get technology to the forefront of their business. Today, we're going to talk about Index Universal Life and when is it appropriate to talk about an Index Universal Life policy to a client. It's been a recent phenomenon, the Index Universal Life sales. They've gotten real popular. We've seen a lot of sales. And I have a multi-million-dollar producer who sold a lot of annuities in her time, sold a lot of Index Universal Life in her time. We've got Mrs. Deanne in here. Thank you very much for attending our meeting. Thank you for showing up and allowing me to, extract some of your many years of, experience and help the different people that are watching this video how to understand Index Universal Life, when to sell Index Universal Life, because it's not the easiest in the world, especially when you're explaining it to a client, when you're talking about life insurance and income for life and all the different things that Index Universal Life offers. My question to you, hopefully this will help the people that are watching this video, when is it appropriate or when do you sell Index Universal Life to a client?
Goodness, just about anybody.
Yeah.
Well, it has to be an individual that is healthy. So we can, set them up with a good annuity if they, with an IUL.
Because you have to make sure they're healthy because there's underwriting and that's like
There's
blood.
underwriting, that's a pyramid, and they have to make sure there's not an APS. If they do, then we've got to order that, order medical records, that kind of thing. But the primary thing is that this is how the rich live. This is how they make money without paying taxation.
This is how the rich live.
It is.
I like that.
And we let them know that, okay, this is going to increase, your flow of money as you get older, 10, 15 years. But also we're pushing living benefits because living benefits are very important. If a person has a heart attack, stroke, cancer, anything like that, they need some money coming in.
They do. They need to be able to have lump sum access. It's very expensive to be able to pay for all those different services. You're right. That's a very good suggestion. When do you talk about do you do ongoing premiums with Index Universal Life or you do lump sum?
We do both.
Both of them?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, if
Yes.
they got money, you do lump sum if they want to build up?
Yeah, we talked to a lot of millionaires, a lot of individuals that really can see that when the money is in there, it's accruing. Compound interest is a value that Albert Einstein told us about. And either you're paying it or you're gaining it. Yeah. And either you're gaining from it or you're losing. And so what this money does is work for you instead of against you.
That makes sense. I own a couple of Index Universal Life policies myself. I love the fact that I can, when I'm young or even when I'm old, I can start making multiple premiums over maybe a 10 or 15 year period. I can create a tax-free death benefit for my beneficiaries. I can build cash value in case I have an emergency. And then I have income for life that may be tax-free. It's really a loan. It's not an income rider. It's a loan against your money. You're not going to pay taxes on that. And then you have, like you said, the living benefits. That's so important to be able to pay for these skyrocketing medical expense costs. And over time, with making the monthly premiums, hopefully I can have a really good nest egg to draw from down the line. So I got another question for you. When was a good example of a client that you sold an Index Universal Life policy to?
Okay. Let's talk about Judy. Judy was a pilot. She's about 61 at the time. And she was worried about her retirement. She didn't have any retirement. She had nothing. And she also wanted a cash value. She wanted a death benefit. And I said, well, this is your perfect fit. She said, well, I only have this much to put in, so much. And I said, well, listen, in 10 years, this is what it's going to accrue to. We did an illustration. She liked it, and she's still on it today. It's
What's
10
the
years ago.
minimum premium typically monthly that you can put into an IUL?
Oh, we can go as low as $100 a month.
$100, yeah, I've seen
Young
that.
children.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're
10
the
on up.
insured and the owner, maybe the parent or grandparent. I see that a lot. That's true.
That's right.
Well, I really appreciate you coming out, Deanne. You've done a great
Well, thank
job.
you.
And I
Appreciate
look
it.
forward to working with you and helping you with your business and you doing business with us, annuity or life insurance on the
Yes.
IUL side of things.
Wonderful.
And we appreciate your time out here, Deanne. It's been great. Now, remember, DFS Marketing. We can help you make more money and deliver better service to your clients. Subscribe to my channel for the latest and greatest updates on the fixed index annuity world and how DFS can help you with your business.